guys, I'm back again and I'm making a customer's order. Um, she contacted me from Instagram and she liked that my Mother's Day gift set that I'd made, which had a matching coaster bookmark and an M keyring. And it's still available on my website and I'll link that below in the description. And so, yeah, so she asked me, could I make a custom one for a friend? And I said, yes, that's not a problem. So we had a conversation about what she'd wanted and we sorted it all out. So she asked for purple petals and gold foil flakes. And yeah, so I've sped the video up because it did take me some time because, you know, I'm a perfectionist and I want to make sure there's no bubbles in anything. So yeah, so I sorted out my flowers and carefully pulled off the different colour and different shades of purple petals and creating them exactly the same way as I did for my Mother's Day gift set, and the individual bookmarks, key rings and coasters are also available on my website. She asked for just an initial in the coaster and the full name on the bookmark, and obviously just the A because obviously that's what the name starts with. I haven't got one of the special Cricut, you see I dropped that there. Yeah, so anyway, I haven't got the Cricut printer, which can print out a name and design on vinyl. I use transparent vinyl sticker paper for an inkjet printer. And I use Microsoft Publisher to create all of my images. And then I just size them and then print them out, cut round them as close as I can, and then they just stick on, and then I can cover with a layer of resin and has no effect to the ink because you print them as a glossy photo. So you can see I've finished adding the petals. I go round again because when you add stuff to resin, bubbles will hide. Just quickly add the gold foil flake. And then I will leave these to dry. Each of them only has a thin layer of resin in because I need to go over them with the top layer once I stick the stickers on. So yeah, so then I'll leave these to dry overnight, and then what is the next day for me will be instantaneous for you, and you will see me putting the stickers on. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, so it's the next morning and I'm here ready to stick on the stickers. So I cut round them as close as I could, just peel them off from their white backing very carefully. Try to get the placement perfect in one go because although you can take them back off, it does misshape the vinyl, and just press them down, and then I will use my silicone tool to make sure that it's perfectly stuck and there's no little bits sticking up or any air bubbles. And again with the full name for the bookmark, just get that into position. I'm trying to get my hands right so I wasn't covering the whole bookmark so you can see what I'm doing on camera. And then once you get it there, just press it down, and like I said, I'll go over with my silicone tool and then come back. Okay, so I have mixed up my resin and added some rainbow iridescent glitter, and I'm just going to give them a thin layer of that. The coaster will get a second layer of clear, but that'll be once I take it out of its mould because I don't like my coasters overly thick, and because there's going to be like a bit of a lip, I go over that with clear and push it up to the lip and fill you know, so it's nice and smooth. But I'll do that off camera, so you won't be actually seeing me do that, because there's no point you seeing me tip another lot of resin. But yeah, so once I've done this, I'm just going to leave this to dry again overnight and then come back in the morning and unmold them. Ta-da! And here we are, ready to unmold. So like I said, even though I haven't got a Cricut printer and I use the inkjet vinyl and cut round them, I'm super impressed at how they come out and how they look. If you would like a custom made personalised set like this, please pop me a message. I'll leave all the details where you can find me on my website and blah 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 in the description box below. And yeah, I love the way these look. I've already sent the picture to the lady who's bought them, and she loves them too. So yeah, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next resin video, take care. Bye.